need this kind of money, but how do we go around saving it? Right, we need 36 lakhs for my child's education 18 years down the line, and 31 lakhs, let's say 23 years down the line, but how do I go about saving it? So we'll go to this next part, which is section 8, exactly based on how you're supposed to go about saving it. Right, so if I come back and we say that, okay, let's take the two examples, child's marriage and child's education. So in child's education, the amount required now is 36 lakhs, and in child's marriage, the amount required is, let's say, 31 lakhs. Right, and the estimated years left for this, 23 years, and this is 18 years. Right, so is this absolutely clear? For child's marriage, we need 31 lakhs, 23 years left. For child's education, 36 lakhs, 18 years left. Now what we are saying is that, okay, some amount of money needs to be saved on a yearly basis to reach this figure and this figure. Now if you start saving money and you get 6% per annum, and if you start saving money and get 10% per annum, your yearly savings would be different. But how do you really identify what exactly is the figure? So we'll go back again to the table that we've created at the end of the form, and we'll have a look at it. This table says, and if you have the form you can use it, and if you can't, you just have to copy it from here. So what this table says is, please just look a little carefully here. It says savings required in a lakh per lakh, savings required per lakh at 6% and 10%. Right, so what this means is that if let's say you have 5 years to save, then per lakh you need to save 17,000 rupees to attain 1 lakh rupees. Right, so you understand how it works? You need to save 17,000 rupees for 5 years at 6% to get 1 lakh. Right, so this is how it works. Now in our case, we are looking at again 18-year period and a 23-year period. Right, so we're looking at take you through. We are looking at the 18-year period and the 23-year period. So what this means is that if you save 3235 per lakh, right, is what you will get to achieve this figure. 3235 in 18 years at 6% would give you 1 lakh. And this figure, if you have a look at this one, this says 2193 into 18 at 6% would give you 1 lakh. Right, so I hope these two things are absolutely clear. Now what you need to do is you just quickly need to pick these figures from the table and take them back to the original table that we had created. Right, is this absolutely clear? What I'll just do is I'll just take you through again so that you can copy the figure that you want. If it's 1 year, just quickly do it. 15 is here, 20 is somewhere here, 30 is somewhere here. So you can just copy your figures, and then what we can do is we can quickly go back to the table that we had created. Right, so we were saying that what is the figure that you'd require for your goals. Okay, so we had said child's education and child's marriage. Here number required 18, here number required 23, here the figure was 36 lakhs, here the figure was 31 lakh. Now per lakh, the figure that you need to save is at 6% is 3235, right? If you remember, 3235, yeah, 6%, and at 10% was 2193. Similarly, in 23 years, the figure that we had got was 2127 and 1257 here. So what this means is that if you have to save 36 lakhs, you need to multiply 3235 into 36 and 2193 into 36. Similarly, if you need to get 31 lakhs, you need to multiply 2127 into 36 and 1257 into 31. Sorry, so the figure is 31. My apologies. Right, so you need to multiply 2127 and 31 and 1257 and 31. If you multiply 3235 into 36, the figure you will get is 116460. 2193 into 36, the figure is 78,948. If you multiply 2127 into 31, you get 65,937, and if you multiply 1257 into 31, you get 38,967. Right, so we've done the calculations. So assuming that you're able to get some kind of investment where you get returns of around 10%, this is the figure that you need to look at. Right, so what I do is we'll just concentrate on this figure, the 10% figure, and we'll write it down again. The figures are 78,948 for your child's education and 38,967 for your child's marriage. So this gives you an idea of how much you need to save. You need to save around 1,17,915 from today to fulfill that goal. Now, if you start doing this, you'll be able to provide 36 lakhs to your child for education and 31 lakhs for marriage, right? And I'm assuming you will get 10% return, right? So this gives you a very good idea just by calculating on what are the kind of figures that you need to start saving. Now we can talk about the different investment tools, whether you should go for mutual funds, life insurance, or equities, depending upon what your risk appetite is, what your return goals are. I think that we can do in a video which can succeed these videos on financial planning session. But the whole idea is now just to get an idea and a feeler on what are the kind of savings that you need to do. Right, so forget about only the taxation part. Start looking at your production and your accumulation angles. We'll wind this financial planning series in the 4th video, where we'll talk of your retirement. Right, so we'll do a similar exercise for retirement. What we'll do is we'll try and calculate what kind of amount is required for your retirement and what kind of savings you need to do for your retirement in the 4th part. Right, so do join me for calculating your retirement.